I've got a really quick one for you today since St. Patrick's Day is just around the corner. Looking at the drawing channels again, I see that the classic Shamrock is actually a heart shape with a polar array applied. Start with the heart sketch from a previous video. The way the sketch was done, the heart has the origin very close to the top, and that's not going to look good at all if it's rotated around in a polar array. We need to move it in relation to the origin. Go to View, Toggle Axis Cross to get a better idea of what we're doing. Select the sketch and in the data pane, increase the Y position to bring the origin represented by the axis cross very close to but not quite on the tip at the bottom of the heart. We don't want it to actually be at the bottom because some overlap between the polar copies is actually a good thing. Now extrude the sketch to 10 millimeters. Select the extrude and do a draft polar array. Set the number of copies to 3 and click Reset Point so the rotation will be at the origin rather than whatever random point the mouse pointer brought us to. Hit OK. That's looking pretty good, but I'd like a little bit more space in the middle. So open up the tree, select the sketch and reduce the Y offset a little bit to make it overlap a little more at the origin. That looks better, 40 millimeters. But it might be nice to do something more interesting than a simple extrude. Delete the array and the extrude. Select the sketch and click on Make Face from Wires. Select the face and offset 2D. The offset tool defaults to an offset of 1 millimeter, but in this case we want it to be smaller than the original. So set the offset to -4 millimeters, and OK. Select that offset and make a much smaller offset that almost completely defeatures. I'll just use the scroll wheel. It looks like -18.1 millimeters is about right. Hit OK. Now select the offset 2D and in placement.position set Z to 5 millimeters. For offset 2D001, set placement.position.Z to 10 millimeters. Now create a loft. Start with the face, add the offset 2D, and then add offset 2D001. Make a solid and OK. That looks pretty good, but I'd like for it to be a little bit fuller. Open up the loft. Select offset 2D and increase the Z position a little bit. Let's try a little more. Z equals 7 millimeters looks good, so let's keep that. Select the loft and the draft polar array. Set the count to 3, reset the center point, and OK. And there we have it. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video or found it useful, please like, subscribe, and share. If there's anything you'd like to see covered here, please let me know in the comments below.